guys and goddesses, it's your brother, your old show friends, other chef, God Lounge Podcast. Riding in the rain, man, riding in the rain. Kids in school, my children's mothers in the house sleep, my daughter sleep. Got up and did a little cleaning. She took the kids to school, took them to an appointment first or whatever. Just out riding in the rain, man. I tell y'all. Picked up a nice little shift for the weekend, an additional shift. So, you guys in love overtime. That's it. We all here for a reason, man. Tap into it and figure out what it is. Yeah, why am I here? Why am I here? You gotta tap into that, man. You gotta tap into that. Why am I here? Why am I here? Is it just to be another number in all of these numbers around me? And all this moving traffic? All these moving pieces, am I just here to be that insignificant piece in the puzzle? But then again, let me ask you something. You ever did a puzzle and realized it's a piece missing? I done put in all this work. Can see the end, it can see the light at the end, can see that finishing sensation, and there's a piece missing. There's some pieces missing in your life, you know what I mean? You done so much work, you done put so many pieces together when it seemed like, damn, I just can't make it come together. You done put so many pieces, so many different sections you worked on at a time. And you get to the finishing line and you see, damn, something's missing. What are we here for, man? You gotta find your purpose in life. I think I found my purpose. It's the God Lounge Podcast. To spread my message, whether they want to hear it, whether they understand it, whether they're ready for it, whether they accept it, whether they agree with it. Spread my message. I ain't no preacher, but I am a teacher. Not because I know everything, but because I've made so many mistakes back and forth, over and over again. And I ain't gonna sit here and stunt like I ain't made the same mistakes over before. Few times in a few situations. The point is, nobody, and I mean nobody, is wasted talent. Nobody is lost or forgotten pieces. We gotta understand that. We gotta understand that. Why are we here? What's the mission? What's the gift? Because gifts been given. Why are we here? My purpose is being a father. Teaching my kids something. Now they gonna get grown and they gonna make their own decisions based off their own choices and their own wants and desires, and ain't nothing we can do about that as parents. But I can give them something to back up the bad advice. And when somebody telling you to make a move and you know, man, what would my daddy say? What would my mother say? My purpose is to be a light. And I spent so many years with so much aggression towards people. Lack of care, for a better way of putting it. That ain't my purpose. We use y'all famous word for the season, trauma. Like, that was just some trauma that hadn't been taken into account and addressed. My purpose is to make people laugh, be somebody people can talk to when they stressed out and ready to call it out, call it quits, throw in the towel. My purpose is to learn and grow, continue to soak up knowledge and be knowledge. What's your purpose? What's your point? Going through life trying to impress people, trying to fit in with people, trying to understand people. We gotta understand ourselves first. What's your purpose? What's your purpose, man? You don't always find your purpose on purpose. Sometimes you stumble into it. It's just the universe giving you a little hand up, a little leg up, whatever you want to call it. And it's okay to stumble into your purpose. Don't fight it. Don't reject it, accept it. Joe the Chef God Lounge Podcast, this rainy day, riding. Y'all stay safe. Stay loved. Stay at peace. Stay searching for your purpose, man. Joe the Chef God Loves Podcast. Love you.